Rahim, this question we have June 2020, 41 variant. The question is given mass of car is 1800 and trailer is this one. So one bigger mass and one smaller and towing. So naturally I will make it. Okay. And one small part, small mass is there behind. Anyway. Okay. Now our situation we have this applied force, as you know, tension always towards each other. There's a very clear planning. And here friction acting and here friction acting. So components are very clear to you. But he mentioned that the car accelerating is so whole system is going right hand side with acceleration of 1.5, both particles, but because they are connected. And friction acting, one is a 250. So here this is a 250 and friction acting the other particles 100. He said, find the tension in the tow bar. So we need to find tension. If we work on this is hard to do it because force is not given. But if we work on it, I think it's easy to do it. So net force, I talk about the other part. I talk about the trailer. So I will make on this only. And basic formula, all of you familiar, net force is equals to MA. And I say that tension minus friction equals to MA. Basically, this rule, we have it, you know, very well. Okay. And friction force, what we have, tension is unknown friction force acting on the 100 newtons, and mass is given here 400, and acceleration given by him is 1.5. And if you type this in calculator, so let me check in my calculator. Okay. So it means 400 times to 1.5 and plus 100. So it becoming 700 Newton. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I think point is very clear and we have done it first part. Okay. And make sure the formula remains same. But if you apply, okay, let's move on next part. Leave it this concept, first part. Second part, the power of engine of the car is working. Naturally, you know, this engine is not working, so we will not work on it. He said when an applied force only here, and this pull is pulling the both particles. So it means the burden, I repeat it with my words, the burden of the both particles is on this force. So I will not take a different particles. I will deal like as a one object. I will deal like a one object and both masses add, and 18 plus 400, I got a 2200. So let's say 2200 total kilogram mass I will deal and applied force here. And friction is because acting in this row, in this here, and this friction, and acting backwards. So they will add as well. They will add as well. So 250 plus 100 become 350. So friction, combined friction 350 newtons. Okay, I think this is clear idea now. Now I'll apply net force equals to MA. Okay, and in this situation, students, what I will do it here. So net force, you know, applied force is very, very clear here. Is applied force minus frictional force, okay, is equals to MA. Is equals to MA. But you know, formula of the power, force into speed. So if we bring this force down, so sorry, speed down, okay, velocity down. So this speed turn to be this coordinate. Okay. So this value I'm going to plug in it here. So P by V minus friction force equals to MA. And power unknown and speed at that particular moment when I'm calculating is 20. And this is 350. It is a very clear, and mass is 2200 total, and acceleration still remain 1.5, which I had done in the previous part. So P by 20, and this is, we can get it.